Kelly Anthony with the AnthonyKitchen.com, and I've teamed up with the National Junior Master Gardener Program to bring you a series of garden kitchen recipes. Today, we're going to be working with a vegetable called bok choy. Bok choy is a vegetable in the cruciferous family, which means that it is a cabbage. Nothing scary about cabbage. Now, if you need a little incentive to get in the kitchen with a new giant scary vegetable, let me just tell you this. Bok choy is considered a superfood, meaning that it is nutrient dense and packed with vitamins and minerals to help keep our bodies in tip-top shape. All the more reason to get our little ones in the kitchen with us and get to cooking. And today, we are going to be using it in our bok choy noodle crisp. The first thing I'm gonna do is remove the core. We're not gonna eat that, so I'm just gonna chop that end right off and discard of it. And now we're left with leaves. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to cut this leaf down the center, and I'll just repeat that motion with all of the remaining leaves. And those that have a thicker stem, I'm just gonna cut them into thirds. All my leaves are split, and I'm just going to take a handful at a time and cut them right across, just like so, into little bitty pieces here. Now, if you wanted to involve the kids, one thing that you could do for sure is just take off the stem end and let them come in and just rip those leaves into pieces and throw them into the colander. Okay, that's the last of it. I'm gonna transfer it all to the colander, give it a good rinse under the sink, remove any dirt, any grit that might be hanging onto my bok choy, and then we'll get to assembling our salad. I've just got a clean, absorbent dish towel laid out in front of me, and I'm gonna dump over my sliced bok choy, spread that around, and then roll it up to dry. And while that's drying, I'm gonna get started on my dressing. This is another great task for the kids. Let them get in there, let them measure things out, and then let them shake it up to get that dressing going for our salad. So the first thing I need is a little bit of vegetable oil. I've measured it, and now I'm gonna add it to my airtight container. Next goes in the vinegar. I'm using rice wine vinegar, some granulated sugar, a little soy sauce, seal it, and shake it. The bok choy is out of the towel and in the bowl, and I have to tell you, it's gorgeous. All those shades of green and white are just beautiful, and the kids are going to love this color. I'm just going to set aside this beautiful bowl of the sliced bok choy over here and slice up some green onions that I've rinsed and dried. Perfect. I'll just sprinkle these over the top. And now for the crunch. These are chow mein noodles. You can find them in the international section of your grocery store. I love snagging on these things, but today they are going directly into the salad, and the kids are gonna go nuts for this texture. So let those kiddos just sprinkle that right on, right over the top, and then we're gonna add our dressing and toss it all up. I'll just drizzle my dressing right across the top here. I've dressed the salad. Now all that's left is to toss it. This would be another task the kids would adore. And then transfer it to a bowl and get to eating.
If you'd like to have a printed copy of this recipe to have on hand, go to jmgkids.us/garden kitchen. The recipes featured in this series are from the Junior Master Gardener Curriculum Project called Learn, Grow, Eat, and Go. To find out more about this evidence-based curriculum being used in schools across the country, click on the Learn, Grow, Eat, and Go link on this page.
I hope that you guys will enjoy this recipe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.